So we can create different kind of design inside ideogram, but the problem is that the background is non-transparent in the free plan. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create logo and also remove the background of this ideogram logo and use it on your page or anywhere you want. So for example, let's say we want to use this image. This is generated image, and if I just click and save this image, you will see that this will not be a transparent image. It will be a JPG or other format image. As you can see, this have the white background, but we want to remove the background. So what we can do, we can just save this image, download it, but there is an option that you can see remove background, but this is for paid user. So as you are not paid user, we can just download it. Let's say download. Now go to a page where you can say bg remove, and this is free background remover tools. This is pixelcard.ai/t/background remover. This is a very good tool for logo background removal. I have checked other file and other thing that this works really good with logos. So I'm going to work on this. So let's upload the image from here. Choose your image, open it. Now you will just have to wait and it will automatically remove the background. Now you can see this is totally perfect. Inside the white bar and everything is removed. If you want to change the background, you can also do that like this. You can check if there is anything missing or something like this, or you can just make it transparent. That's it. Now click on download. And one of the benefit of using this tool, that this is completely free, so you can just do unlimited times you want. As you can see, the quality and everything is perfect, and the removing of the background is really good. So this is the way how you can remove unlimited background from your ideogram is generated image without paying anything. So I hope this video help, and if you learn something new, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video.